Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the fourth episode to create to-do list using JavaScript. In the previous episode, we learned how to add individual list item when we click on this button or when we hit an enter key. Today, I'll show you how to add dynamic action buttons like up, down and remove. First of all, we'll create variable for this UL and li. So open your main.js and using document.query selector, you can select the class name for UL, which is list. And then since li is child element for this UL, we can use list ul.children. Now let's create new function called create btn with a parameter li. You can then return that li. Then let's create this remove button using document.createElement and then add them in the variable. So I will call that variable remove. We have got a class name over here, so let's use remove.className and add the class name over here. Then finally, since this button is inside this li, we can use li.appendChild and remove. Now we have to add this button whenever list item are added or whenever new li is added. So let's use for loop. Now let's check the side and you should see a remove icon over here. Let's check what happens if we add new list item, and it seems that the remove icon is not applying in a new list item. So in order to resolve them, we have to add this function inside this add list function because it is used to add new list item. Refresh the site again. You can add new list item, and this time the remove icon has been applied to new list item. Great. Now in a similar way, let's add up and down button. So for that, I will simply copy this code, and for down button, wherever it says remove, I want to replace it with down, and for up, wherever it says remove, I want to add up. Once done, you can then refresh the site and you should see your up, down and remove icon. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll make these buttons functional. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more tutorials in the future. Thank you.